what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for my next Halloween look, I'm doing a Crimson Phantom from the movie Crimson Peak. This makeup is also a collaboration with a really good friend of mine, Courtney little MUA here on YouTube and on Instagram. She's been a huge inspiration of mine since day one once I first started doing makeup, so it's a full circle moment and it's crazy that I'm actually collabing with her. Make sure to go check out her Instagram and YouTube after this video. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I do. I'm super happy with the way this makeup turned out. And if you guys want to see how I did it, then go ahead and keep on watching. Jumping right into this tutorial, I'm going to be painting my face, neck, and ears with some red face paint. Going in with a Colourpop eyeshadow in the shade Roundhouse and a Anastasia Beverly Hills fluffy brush, I'm going to be outlining the shape that I want for the eyes. I also went in with another shade from Colourpop called Facet, and I went in and blended out that dark brown eyeshadow. Going in with some Ben Nye White Cream Foundation and a dense fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying that in all the highlight areas of my face. I'm also trying to make the bone structure of my face protrude out a little bit more because I wanted my ghost to look very gaunt and skeletal looking. Going in with that brown eyeshadow we used for the eyes and a small fluffy brush, I'm going to be shading certain areas of the face, going to contour the sides of my cheeks, jawline, and forehead as well. Going in with a Kat Von D lip liner in the shade Blood Milk. I'm going to be using that and outlining and sketching out the shape of the mouth that I wanted. Going to be outlining the teeth and creating a little bit of tendril lines coming up from in between each tooth, going up onto the cheekbone. I also use that liner to outline a few shapes that I'm later going to be filling in with black face paint. Using the same lip liner, I took that up onto the eye shapes and I used that to define the furrows of my brows and a little bit of wrinklage underneath and above the eyes. As you can see, I already did one side of my face, but I'm going back in with that white Ben Nye Cream Foundation in white and a small flat concealer brush, and I'm going to be highlighting the teeth, and I'm also going to be highlighting any other place where I added some of the Blood Milk lip liner pencil. I'm going around and highlighting around each of those tendril holes, and I'm going to be highlighting in between each of the teeth as well. I also went in and highlighted around the eyes and the little eye baggage area that I made. Going in with a black eyeshadow and a dense fluffy brush, I'm going to be applying that over my eyelids and under eyes. It's detailing time. Going in with a small tiny detail brush and some black face paint, I'm going in and outlining each of those teeth. I'm also going to be outlining anywhere that I put the Blood Milk lip liner pencil. By going in and detailing everything with black, this is going to add a ton more dimension to everything, especially those places where you want things to be sucked in a little bit more, like around the eyes, around the nose shapes, and around those little tendril lines above the mouth. So I'm not #spots by the movie by any means, but I just wanted to let you guys know that You guys should see this movie if you love Guillermo del Toro, and his directing style and just everything about this movie is gorgeous and beautiful. Just go watch it. Ooh, how scandalous. You can see my shoulders. I'm just kidding. But now I'm going in with that same red face paint on a bigger fluffy brush, and I'm going to be outlining the shape of the rib cage that I'm going to be painting on my chest. Obviously, this part of the tutorial is 100% optional if you guys are going to be wearing a costume that covers your chest and neck. But now I'm going in with a black face paint, and I'm going to be filling in my shoulders and blending that in towards the red face paint. I also went in with a smaller fluffy brush and some black eyeshadow and further defined the shapes that I wanted on that ribcage. Now I'm using a black face paint and a larger detail brush. I'm going to be outlining the shapes that I created with that black eyeshadow. Last but not least, I'm going to be putting in these contact lenses I got from scleralenses.com in the style Gremlin. And with a quick costume change and a red wig, I am done. I really hope you guys like this makeup look as much as I did. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Don't forget to go on over to my friend Courtney's YouTube channel and check out her video. Don't forget to subscribe to her, you won't regret it. Her videos are amazing. Thank you again so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you guys know when I post my next makeup look. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.